Hey everybody, Nate here with BDS Suspension. I'm out here in Daytona Beach, Florida for the Daytona Truck Meet. Now behind me, I got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JLU. Not a Gladiator. They actually took this Jeep to Bruiser Conversions, chopped it in half, and built their own custom work bed in the back. Now this Jeep has the complete works from JKS and BDS Suspension. So we've got the JKS 3.5-inch coilover conversion with a prototype BDS long arm. And I gotta say, this Jeep is awesome, especially with the KR2 BFG tires. Now, if you check out the link in the description below, we've got a whole overview video of this truck. And for right now, let's just check it out.